Hi everyone! So here is just a very quick video about a redesign I did on one of my clients recently. So as always, I've done my usual, I've removed the previous set, done all the natural nail work prep, and then I'm coming in and just applying a thin clear base, and I will do this to all of the nails. And then I'm coming in with HD Pro Acrylic, and this is Cosmic Latte, and I'm starting at the tip and blending it up. And then at the cuticle area, I'm coming in with one of the Christmas glitters from the Glitter Fairy, and this is called Mrs. Claus. And I'm just creating kind of like a collar around the cuticle, free edge, sidewall, stuff like that. So I didn't want a crisp line, so I didn't need to do any geometric design, but I'm just creating that kind of almost how like sometimes you'll see like the glitter done as if it's like icicles around the edge. Am I making sense or am I just rambling? Anyway, so I'm going to do that. And then on to the next now. I'm going to do pretty much exactly the same thing as the little finger, but I'm also going to add in some of the Christmas Mix Star Mix, just to add a few extra shapes there. And now we're going on to the middle nail. I didn't put a clear base down because Cosmic Latte is a cover pink, so it's strength powder and doesn't need to be, doesn't need a base underneath it. And I'm just creating a full colour nail with this tonight, sorry. I'm creating a full colour nail with this, and then I'm going to use one of my Reindeer decals, which are super cute. And I'm going to place that in the middle and then add some glitter around it. I'm just using my wet brush just to pick up pieces of the Mrs. Claus glitter. I'm placing it around that decal just to blend it in, and then I'm going to add a few little stars as well. And that's pretty much it for this set, really. I did that across the entire set, just put decals on the middle finger and the thumbs, and then just like the glitter collars, I don't know what to call them, glitter bits on all the other nails. I know you're going to hate me, but I got really, this is one of my clients, and when we get chatting we like go, and I forgot to film, so I paused it as I was capping them all, and then I forgot to press record again, so I didn't record any filing, top coating, anything, because I'm just a bit useless sometimes. So that's it really. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. It's very short and sweet, this one, and until next time, I shall see you all soon. Bye!